Greetings in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, the Son of the living God. This is Uboni, the daughter of God. The Lord is my light and salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? By being a conversation person, I share, I interact. I was interacting on a lot of posts on Facebook, and I figured that me sharing what my dad taught me really triggered a lot of attention, and I thought I'd just start a series here of sharing what I learned from my dad. Short story, I am the only child my dad had. He struggled to have kids because him and his wife couldn't have kids. He married wife number one left, and the child passed away. Wife number two was my mom. She had me, and then there was a fight between her and her aunt, which was my father's wife, and she left. So I'm the only child my dad had, and he had me very late in his life. He was very old. He's in his 40s, early 40s, and so I was raised by a very mature type of old guy with his wife also. And this is what I learned from my dad. I learned this. You remember those hair cutters, those old ones, those silver ones with two handles? Yes, he had a set of those, and he did this. I grew up with hair like this. I think only in grade 7 I started relaxing my hair. His wife used to say her ancestors don't like cat hair, so we couldn't relax until the rule was, a bit bent. I was in grade 7 in 2000, and year 2000 I was in grade 7, and then we started relaxing our hair, but she did not want hairpiece, so there was no hairpiece. Then when I was doing grade 11 in 2004, she was okay. I could do straight back, and it was once in a while when I had saved enough money. They didn't give me money for her. I saved. My dad always gave me money, yokera. We used to call it a schooling. It was 5 rand. It was a lot of money back then. And so that's how my dad taught me that I need to feel beautiful originally, not because I've got a hairstyle in my head. How has that helped me? It has helped me so much that in 2012, because I was, I came to Gauteng, I was a vet student, and fees didn't work out. I got a municipal bursary. It didn't pay because somebody stole money at the municipal back home. So I had to start from scratch. But I was still the Bonnie that loved being educated, because my dad taught me that you should get educated. So what I did in 2012 is I stopped, because I used to